Managing the media resources in the Great Lakes Conference Room.
Hi, in this video we are going to cover how to use the equipment that's in the podium in the Great Lakes room. We'll also take a look at how you can use this with Zoom. Let's first look at the controls. You will find a black Creston control panel on the left-hand side of the podium. Press the button that says Press to Begin. This will lower the screen. Then up on the upper left-hand side, you will see there's a button that says Projector. When you press that, once the screen has been lowered, it will bring up the projector control and you can turn the projector on. And then you can just simply press the power on button. In addition, you will see on the right-hand side, there is a volume control. This is for the speakers that are in the room. You can turn them up or down using the small little buttons on the side. And over on the other side is what's called the room mode. The room mode is where you can join the two Great Lakes rooms together or have them separate. So you can see here we have an option that says combined or individual. If you select combined, the same image and audio will be sent into both rooms. Across the top of the panel, you will see there are controls for what is being sent to the projector. You can use your host PC, which is a Windows computer that is inside the cabinet, the document camera, the HDMI cable, or the VGA cable that are both connected on the podium. And you can see them sitting right here. There's an HDMI cable, and here we have the VGA cable that can be plugged into your laptop. On the left-hand side is a lighting button. This allows you to use presets or to power the lights on or off. Inside the bottom of the cabinet, you will find the controls to turn the Windows computer on. Let's open up the bottom door. Though it may be a little bit hard to see in the shadows, but inside is the Windows computer, and on the right-hand side, you will see the black power button. After powering on the computer, you will sign in. It always remembers the last user who was signed in, so down in the lower left-hand corner, you will find an option to have a different user. Select that and sign into your network account. If you are a guest, we have a guest account that you're welcome to use. Select Other User. The username is Presenter, and the password is Learn123. You will find the microphones in the side of the podium. The microphones should be plugged in and charged up, ready to go. To begin using the microphone, press the power button that's on the bottom and then place the lavalier around your neck. While using the microphone, you can increase or decrease the volume with the two buttons in the middle. Use the mute button on the bottom to temporarily mute the input for the microphone. Be sure to power off the microphone by pressing and holding the power button and plugging it back in when you're finished. The handheld microphone is powered on by pressing up on the talk button, and you'll notice the green light is lit. This is great when you're working with a group and you want to pass it around. Both of these microphones have been set up to work with Zoom through the built-in computer on the podium.
Using the microphone and video camera controls with Zoom or Google Meet.
Select which microphone here by coming up to Select, and you can pick the built-in display, or you can try one of the other microphones, such as the noise canceling speakerphone. So right here is where you would do the changes, and that changes which audio is sent over to the receiving people in your Zoom call. You can also come up here, same as in the noise canceling. So once again, select down next to the mute button to change the source. It's always recommended you test the speaker and the microphone to confirm everything is going to work. With the video, you'll do the similar thing. You will turn on the video, and you can see that this is a camera that's over in the corner of the room. You also can change the source of the camera by selecting this and say, instead of using the AVER, I want you to use the mini USB, which is a different camera. You can see the view has changed now, and this is now showing the entire room from the front. So this is a great way to show your audience that's in your presentation, or you can come back and choose the AVER camera. There are camera controls on the Creston controller. On the left-hand side, select camera, and there are presets that will control the camera. Preset 1, and you can see this shows me in the corner of the screen. Preset 2 and preset 4. You can also fine-tune, adjust it yourself. There are some small controls. And adjust the turn and the up and down on the camera using these controls. When you're finished, click the close button. When you're finished at the end of your presentation, select the Windows button at the bottom of the monitor, select power, and roll up to shut down.
Thank you for watching. If you have additional questions or need support, please stop by the tech office and we would be happy to help.